Proverbs 13:34. Solomon the wise said, righteousness exalts a nation, but sin is a reproach. Righteousness is a lifestyle and not a dressing code. Hear me? How you live your life is more important than how you spend your money. You can have a lot of money, but you have just one life to live. The Bible said, for the wages of sin is death. Hear me? Sin sick, sin stick, and sin separate one from God. Evangelist Mrs. Lizzie Opa, the music mother in Israel. What do you call that?
We call that SSS.
Evangelist Ambassador M.A. Ejo, my master, over to you. Live your life every day with the consciousness of hell and heaven. Hey! Operation White Man Evangelist. What will happen to a woman who rejects a man with fiction and follow a man with television?
My people, such a woman shall soon watch the man with a vision from her husband's television. It is your acceptability and connectivity to the law of divinity that determines your productivity. Son of kings, call your boys, Ebruke and Ayobo, to do what they are born for. Music.
A man who stands for nothing will fall for everything. Kitty, you are made by God and for God. And until you understand that, life will never make sense. Wait.
addition to that,
Hey.
only those who recognize God will be recognized by heaven.
Ọ̀tọ̀ni èkìtì. Heaven is a prepared place for the prepared people. Wẹ́gbẹ̀. Prince Ogedojuko Igbayo Wesley. My promoter. You are blessed and nice.
Adékèlé fi ẹ̀fọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà.
Honor must be given to whom is due. My daddy, Bishop John Oruma, you are a father to a generation. May your days be long, sir.
Elizabeth Mama Oka, it is only a fool that will say it's good to purchase silver.
Hey, hey, Joe. See, without knowledge, is an express way to self-destruction.
Adékèlé fi ẹ̀fọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà.
My operation wife, who is a sinner among these three people. Number one, someone who stole Bible from the church to read at home. Two, someone who stole money at home to give offering in the church. Three, someone who stole offering and give to the poor and the orphan. Over to you.
Answer number one. You cannot rob God to serve God. Answer number two. Giving an offering to the church is good, but stealing to give is evil. Answer number three. Ben great. The answer to the above question answered all. Ephesians 3:8. The Bible says, he that commits sin is of the devil. Thank you.